Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We got some more footage, quick, easy. No, I don't think it's gonna be quick and easy, but we're back again. Like I said, we are filming a lot. We got the trailer. Yeah, and you can't really even see the trailer. There it is. Yeah, we are gonna go pick something up, go to an engineering shop, drop some mini parts off, and maybe even meet a fellow YouTuber on the way. Who knows? All to be revealed within the following sequences. Good to be back, guys. Let's send it. Hit the road and let's go fetch what I want to go fetch. So right over here is the stadium for one of our local rugby teams called the Blue Bulls. This is Loftus Versfeld. Yeah, just an interesting little piece of history, I guess. And over here to the left we have the University of Pretoria, Tuks. I know it's pretty weird, but I just thought if not, why not? Let me just show you guys what it is. It's also one of I think one of the best unis in the country. Even though I tend to disagree because I don't study here, but hey, this is it. Right guys, we did a quick stop. I got my old engine block back, another cylinder, or my other cylinder head, or where's it, the other cylinder head over there. And just from this, one of this guy, let me get my wording right. He's an old timer, his name's Koos, Koos is Minis, and he is an absolute specialist when it comes to mini stuff. And I just went to drop it off so he could help me identify a couple things and just went to look over some of the stuff. I want to do a different conversion with this mini, and he wasn't too interested, well, not too interested, let's put it this way. He wanted to go properly old school and everything period correct, and you know, I appreciate that, but this build we're doing something slightly different. So anyway, on our way to go and meet up with you're gonna find out who now. I'm not gonna give it away. Collab, done all of them before. He's a proper lacko oak. He's such a good guy. But yeah, you're gonna see in a bit. Right boys, we've arrived, and guess where we are? This is where oh, there we go. This is where we are. The man, the myth, the legend, Gerard, daily driven Jeeps himself. You remember this thing? Dog. Coming to pick this bad boy up over here, take it back home. That bad boy, and the man, the myth, the legend, the bald monster. Alright guys, we got everything. We got the fiberglass front nose over there, and then there's a shell on the trailer which I cannot show you at the moment. I'm busy driving, that's why. So yeah, but otherwise everything is in. We loaded, we're ready, we sorted, we are good to go. Let's take the trip home and I'll show you exactly what we got when we get home. Catch you guys in a bit. Good morning and welcome back to the channel, guys. Today is the next day. When we got back, it was dark last night. It was just too dark to film, and it just wasn't really it just wasn't a good time to film. So next morning I'm going to show you what we really got meaningful, or basically this. So let me show you what it really is. This was I think it was a 70 or 70 something or 60 something, no, 70 something definitely, Mark 2 or 3, Mark 3 definitely, bullnose. So my daily driven Jeeps, he actually wanted to build speedster, yeah, roadster speedster, and it just kind of came to a stalemate. So I decided this will be perfect for a donor body for the pickup, and this thing also came with a fiberglass front end, which I'll be using for the Clubman chopped front end build. So this is a proper win. Also got a subframe from an MG, from a Metro. So that's pretty, I don't know, it's pretty special. Anti-roll bar on the front, so that's going to give me a little bit more, obviously, stability. High end, or top end, high speed. Also got the brackets already on there for the flip, for the fiberglass flip. And yeah, basically this thing is super solid as far as I can see. I've gone through it quite extensively already. And then I just need to take you guys up to the garage and show you where the fiberglass front end is. But as you can see, not bad at all. The floors are going to be perfect for the pickup. So we are back in the barn, as you guys can see, in the garage, and this is the reason why I basically got this chopped Roadster, obviously mini, for this fiberglass front end, which comes from none of the other but Mr. Andrew Shadwell from down in Cape Town. His quality of products is ridiculous. I have a whole bunch of his stuff actually. There's a front lip, I think, which is over there. There we go. Yep, there's a front lip, fiberglass for a Clubman. There's another, I've got a red bootlet somewhere else too. There's another fiberglass bootlet over there. But guys, I'm honestly so stoked to basically have this and that other, obviously that other shell down there, to start using it for this bad boy over here. It will literally just be a chop and change. I'm gonna have to obviously make some sort of adjustments here and there, but mainly the floor fits straight in. The sills, everything. I should be able to save a lot of time and money with buying that. So I'm really stoked, guys. This is gonna be a lot of work, but it's gonna be really cool. So I think we're just gonna have to hold tight and wait and see for what's gonna come within the next couple weeks. I'm writing exams soon, which is November, but we're home. So let's see if I can just try to get some work every week onto the minis or onto something to get some content, some progress done. I think that is gonna wrap up today's video, guys. As always, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, all those good things. Do what you love. Don't let anyone tell you what not to do and what you can and can't do. But again, don't forget to always send it. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you on the next one.